So I just got my camera cut off because of a reminder that noted me. But as I was looking at this slide out here, I was just showing the technician that, you know, this seal come loose. This seal's just sitting there hanging. And as you can see how crooked that manufacturer installed that, that's just, you know, woo, all wavy. And so no wonder it wasn't on there. You can see how much it buckled and didn't have enough screws put in it, was coming loose. I bet you the rest of that's the same way. So all this stuff needs to have attention to it. You know, again, there was no screw at the end. You got screws everywhere backing out. You got sealant, that's things that are not sealed, screws that are bled out, screws that are popping out, things that are bled out on the sides. So I highly recommend that you get this thing cleaned and lubed. And then all this stuff needs to get all scraped off, tightened up, and resealed. So again, this is on a 2025 Forest River Sandstone toy hauler travel trailer. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Dustin, your Specialist.